I'm going to make you stand a little bit more, a lot more. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for being part of our celebration today. First of all, I would also like to congratulate my parents on completing 25 years, 25 beautiful years, I must say. From the start, both of you, in your special ways, have been a part of my life and of those around me. It's always the little things that make a big difference for me. I was told that when I was younger, I was a naughty child, a very troubling child. And well, it's 24 years later, I don't think I've changed much. Time spent with Mai and Nana were a blessing. Whatever time I had with them were amazing. They were the ones who actually taught me Konkani, and that's why I know some to a little bit of Konkani. The way you guys raised me gave me the best childhood memories, which I'll forever cherish. I'm sure my childhood friends would surely vouch for that. Growing up, everyone knew who was Norris's mother, because majority of them were either terrified, they're mostly terrified, and I'm sure a little bit till date they're a little bit terrified. On the other hand, for Dad, he was the one who encouraged us and taught us to play badminton. And I think, and till date, he has never stopped inviting any and either of my friends to go and play badminton over the weekends at 4 a.m. And he will do that more today, I'm sure. School was interesting. My fondest memory in school was in 4th grade. It's the time when we moved from, using pencils to using pens, because certain things are very difficult to change back. And I remember at that time specifically, Dad got like so many ink pens for me, and all different variety, and I was so crazy behind them, and I still have some of them till date. On the other hand, Mom, any teacher, specifically Hindi teachers, if they tried to discipline me so that I studied harder and did anything, so I did my language studies better, and if they tried to discipline me, Mom would get angry and she'd go to them and tell them, you need to hit him harder. Speaking Hindi, to those who know me, is a challenge for me till date. And I don't love the subject still. However, it was my dad who was there without fail, every day in the evenings, weekends or not. If I had school or not, even on summer vacations, it'd be like, you need to do this, you need to learn your R, E, U's, you need to do your alphabet, you need to do your R matras. It was a challenge, and my proudest memory in school, my biggest achievement in school was actually when I came second in a Hindi allocution competition, which I still don't believe. And Hindi, as some know how I speak, it doesn't make sense. Mom's my favorite human being. She stood by Dad, and she stood by me, and which signifies how strong of a lady she is. She's our little lady. Dad and I are both blessed in such a strong way to have you by our side. She took care of me when I was ill in India. She took care of me every single time I had to go to the ER in Dubai. And she was always there by my side, loving and praying. Till date, she makes the best French toast that I've ever had, and the best soups to cure all my sicknesses away. She's the most daring person who will stand up to any sort of injustice, and she's the most bravest person. When I was younger, Diwali was like, we do celebrate all festivals, so I remember there was this one time where a rocket burst into my eye, and she was right there, and she was so brave. She took care of me, she took me to the ER, but that's not the bravest part. The bravest part is after that, no matter what, every Diwali she made sure I played with crackers, no matter what. And I consider that to be the bravest part. I will never cease to appreciate the importance that you guys have put on my education, and I will love you and hold you for that forever in highest regard. Something very important happened in 1994. The movie Lion King was released. And I wasn't there that time. But for many years, the story stayed in everyone's heart. People saw it throughout the years and they loved it. And then it was released this year again, and many people flocked back into the cinemas. More people came to listen to the same old story. New people came to listen to the same old story. More hearts went to see the same characters. And just like that, you guys have come here today, after 25 years, to be part of our little circle of life. And so just The Lion King aged and became one of the most heart-touching stories and movies that I know. It was remade after 25 years. And in the same way, mom and dad aged to renew their vows. But this time they had their little Simba. Throughout the years, in trials and tribulations, in sickness and in health, in good times and in not so good times, through the loud times and through the times of silence, through the n number of calls that I get from my mom and to the n number of WhatsApp forwards I get from my dad, you guys have stuck around me, our families, and the people around me. Thank you for being such great examples of love and kindness, for giving people the benefit of the doubt and believing in them. Thank you for instilling little pockets of lessons to make me to what I've grown to be today. One thing I can tell you is that I love you, and with all of my heart. You both mean the world to me, and I could have not done any of these things without you. Thank you everyone for being here with us today, and I pray we see you guys soon and more for their Golden Jubilee. Thank you.